Good to see you back again. brauchst einen Checkpoint, Alter, bevor du die Kurve betrittst. Das macht doch kein Auto der Welt. Da kommt der nächste Checkpoint, Alter.
2 Minuten, nein. Das ist absoluter Blödsinn. Wie will der in 2 Minuten da hochgefahren sein? Ja, hören wir doch auf mit dem Schmarrn, Alter. Was ist das Spiel da verzapft, Alter. Lauter Cheater unterwegs, Alter. Ich hab sogar den Audi und ich darf nicht mal hier fahren, Alter. Also bitte. Alles los. Das Eckspiel, Alter, schon wieder, ey. Ich kann schon wieder ausschalten, Alter. Ich kenne das Auto in- und auswendig und ich weiß nicht, warum es ständig weggekriegt ist. Ich hasse dieses Spiel. Ja, genau, klar. Ich bremse auch nicht ab. Ich meine, kannst du voll abbremsen, scheißegal. Egal. Ich habe jetzt schon keinen Bock mehr, Alter. Ich brauche eine Zigarette, oder? Ich bin nervig jetzt schon wieder ein Frag. Ja, gewinnt er schon nicht. Das habe ich verloren. Danke für die Fahrt, für nicht. Oh, ich bin ein Verlierer. Ja, passt doch. Das schafft man auch in 2 Minuten. Ja, genau, klar. Nee, das war's für mich. Also ganz ehrlich, das Spiel, das bringt mir nichts mehr. Ich bin jetzt schon wieder, wo ich mir denke, für was mache ich das überhaupt noch? Das kann echt nicht sein. Der Audi ist halb so viel wert, was ich gerade gefahren bin und schafft es dann trotzdem. Aber in 2 Minuten 9 schafft man das auch. Alter, hören wir doch auf mit dem Schwachsinn, ey. Ich hab keinen Bock mehr. Ich bin schon wieder raus. Tschüss, macht's gut. Dankeschön fürs Zuschauen.
What can I do for you, driver? You know where to find me, driver.
Second training session. Nobody at dawn. We've got the playground to ourselves. That was a precision strike section. You have to hit the sticks with your car's bumper. And that is a wall ride. You know how to drift against gravity? You're gonna learn. Today's all about using the skills you learned before and moving up a gear. New wall ride coming up. Try to skid when you're on top, but be careful. If you take off, you could lose control of your vehicle. All right, let's go again with the precision strike. The trick is not going too fast and just throwing the car in before the first stick. Pull the handbrake if you have to. Last round, so I don't want to see one stick standing.
We'll get it this time.
Neutron is the most futuristic of all Gymkhana cars. It could drift on the moon, so get me to the stratosphere.
All right, you dizzy yet? Should be. But I also think you're starting to finally understand what it is to Gymkhana. Donuts, the wall ride, the grind, they're all technical stunts and difficult to pull off, of course. But the true value is in the spectacle. Gymkhana is entertainment. The aim is to create the most dramatic and wild moments. It can take anywhere from 6 months to a year for us to gather all of the ideas and locations and everything. But a driver only has a few minutes to make it all work. Come on, check out your moves. The one advantage to EVs is the acceleration and instant torque. No matter the situation, you'll always have enough power to pull off a stunt. As always, we're gonna put your skills to the test. But let's change things up a bit. How about a little of this versus that? Go park the Hoonatron. It's big block versus big block.
Talk to you soon. You've seen how Scotto loves this versus that. We asked Hoonigan if they'd be willing to race one of their creations against one of our own. 50% Hoonigan, 50% Motorfest. Motorfest's 3100 vs the Hoonigan's 3rd generation Camaro. These cars have one thing in common, and it's no small thing. They're both powered by the same big block engine. You're free to choose the car you want, of course, but I'm pretty sure the 3100 is going to win.
Desperate night.
The Camaro Big Block, solid choice. Safe bet. The turns are really rough here. Two Chevys, two big blocks, but only one winner. It's prophetic. It's a bit of an exaggeration, but I really like the concept of this race.
Oh, so there's no map anymore, so it's a glitch, it's a bug. Wonderful. Easy mode. You have nothing on anymore. This is just a joke. That Leech just was going through actually all the other stuff.
Tricky turns are back. Second lap.
No view, I do not know where to drive, all this shit. Why not color blind everything and get me actually a wig on my fucking face?
Modifying a classic pickup like the 3100, I admit, it's bold. I'm curious about the time they had to make it.
Lame
On
as
our
shit
side,
like the game.
we built that Camaro kit in
First up a
3 weeks.
hardcore setup,
Even
and
had
now
it
actually a
3D
low
printed.
light,
It's not
actually
a
shit
cockfight.
setup.
We agree, but let it be said.
What you man. You're building cars like shit. Where's my car I can build up? Stuff is just crap, man. I better smoke my cigarette and just get already up. Oh, this game, man. Then the gas. Yeah, real fast, 258. But before actually on these, what we're calling Audi versus actually my card, you have a 2.9, you can beat it by 4 minutes. How they want to check up actually a 2.5 or something in there. They beat twice actually this enemy actually in front of you with the Audi. Cheating shit system. Seriously, people's only cheating in this game. They don't let you know in here. They have it so easy in this life. It makes no fun anymore, these games. I get headish when I'm thinking already on it. Makes no fun anymore. Oh. Every day you get fatter. Every day you feel lousy. Just get discriminated every time. My heart hurts like hell. I don't care anymore. What's up for tomorrow? I passed completely the checkpoint? Oh. Normally you miss by such incident like that very hard.
Camaro eating a Chevy 3100? Is that cannibalism?
Yeah. They just pass 2 levels or two laps and then they say, alright, that's it, I won. That's why 258 instead of a 4 minute and 40. And look, Gary, man, he's completely out of his mind. Don't ask what the hell this is. Just a piece of shit. But hey, I have to say, graphically and physically, they make a great job. I just only hate these difficult and race limitations here and there, and also these stupid rank lists worldwide that they can cheat whatever they want on PC versus PlayStation. Because Xbox is PC, and since Xbox is out of the market in 2003, PC versus Sony, that's actually all. Nintendo don't count. Ach, die Scheiße, Alter, das macht man bald. Ein wahrer Champion. Da war mal Scheiße. Hab ich das noch gesagt? Entschuldigung, ich bin der letzte Leader auf der Welt. Oh. Danke, dass du mich erinnert hast daran. Kann ich morgen früh um 6:30 schon mal das Auto sauber machen. Kann den Hoch schon mal eine halbe Stunde schreiben, zu sehe ich keine Sau. Augen tun eh nichts. Ich mal den Scheiß von den anderen mit anhören. Das ist eh schon alles her, aber das kommt einfach jeden Tag, jedes Mal. Das ist so eine Scheiße 4-mal am Tag. Ich habe andere Probleme als ein Mister. Hat doch alles, ich hab nicht. Ach, das muss er aufspielen. Tücher wichtiger als meine Scheißerei, die ich nicht mehr habe, weil ich den Stoff benutze mittlerweile. Hurensohn, oder? Sowieso, da hast du dein Zeug. Extra gekauft. Glänzend, reinigt, pflegt und schützt in einem Arbeitsgang. Ja, da bin ich mal gespannt. Was macht's denn so? Auch Staub entfernen oder? Schau mal. Zicke zacke Hosenkacke. Oh, die Mucke, Alter, ich krieg schon Schädel, Alter. Kannst du so fressen, was du willst. Scheiß Loop-Musik, Alter. Oh ja, das Leben ist scheiße. Na, wie schaut's bei euch aus? Noch beschissener. Ja. Jetzt eine Schnellshot.
Scotto has decided the format for the next validation event, a race with stunts. This is probably one of the last events before the Gymkhana Motorfest, so you can be sure that Scotto will be paying close attention to your performance.
What the fuck is that? Thunder, Rain, Gymkhana, Audi S1, Nitro, Quadro, Unitron. Roll fast for minute 45, so we need 10 minutes against actually the other two idiots they're driving against. So what the fuck? Is it drift or race car? What is this? So you have to win and make points better than the other. So push for nothing. You have no idea actually to where to go and all this stuff. So it's bullshit. Then we have no map. You don't know where to drive. Holy shit.
Just like the volcano, it's a practice run. Your final one. So let's see you put those newfound skills to the test. We turned it up a bit this time. You're going to be racing against other drivers for this one. The car, the track, the electric atmosphere, it's all there.
Shut up, man.
I want to show you how everything works together in Gymkhana.
Nitron versus actually original supercars.
Throw down some crazy tricks, win the race,
shit.
and I might just consider you for Gymkhana Motorfest.
You're not cool enough, actually.
Good luck.
You're just a kid. Pissing me all the time. The fucking thing you are, man. You're an idiot for driving actually a new car. I don't know what the hell we have to do right now. Just win and do nothing else.
That's the kind of start that makes me happy. Precision Strike is up next. Remember to adapt your speed and throw your car before the
Only
first
actually the first guy needs to win. Nothing more.
You can either settle for winning the race or try to impress me by doing as many tricks as
me
possible.
actually, but
Not
let's say
forgetting to blow
top
up your
3.
opponents, of course.
Are you a fucking idiot or something? And my heart hurts already. Can't block, don't want to be done that stuff in here. Yeah, I get nothing. Perfectly going through, doesn't matter, you get nothing. Not even nothing happened here. So you have to be top 1 in here or you can go home. So fuck it. This game is made actually by hell. Yeah, wow, it's Sean. Hey, be careful. Or you crash your car. The first one wins. Doesn't matter what you call them.
Slide left.
Shut up.
Then
Shut
slide right.
the fuck up. You can do that with AI. Forget about it, humanity. About your stupid talking.
Narrow and dangerous. Perfect.
Ooh, dangerous. Careful. Checkpoint,
You've got
man.
lightning, red neon light, and the Hunatron. It's a blast. Just what we're looking for in Gymkhana. Create a unique atmosphere.
It kind of sucks right now. Oh, shut the fuck up.
first, dude.
No joke, man. You're an idiot. You're not giving me any points. What the hell are you talking about? It's just a race. You shit Astron here. You're mumbling everything through like actually you're being the king or something. You ever drove that by yourself? Nah. I take it straight. I just couldn't actually do it down in here. You want to say actually this game is a piece of shit or your Honeygan is a piece of crap? So vegan. Because you're a cock big soft fuck shit baby. Never actually rode or raced a car. Maybe on the Nintendo system or something. This is the lousiest ever played. In the name of Gincana, I'm gonna say can block. Stop doing this shit on motor.
The ideal zone
your
for
only
striking
full return
and
is actually
winning
your
blocks.
36 wood nails actually get fucking done off. Actually go with no respect, man. I'm hopefully gonna car straight. The V car, I have ABS, traction control, everything. Oh, yeah, here we go again. What is it? I don't know, man. What a shit show.
Oh boy!
Oh, you wet yourself?
You have it.
You wanna see how I was driving dirt free? Huh? You little punk? I was going through hell on dirt free. This is just a injection of air. Luftschnappmaler. Scheiß kannst du mir dann so sagen. Even don't count if you're driving through or not driving through, you don't get points. What a piece of shit game. You have no time actually to watch what's really going on. Oh, fuck that shit, man. That must be the asshole that stopped actually t-shirt work or actually just cat work for Gincana or for Ken Vlog. Oh shit, the car was this.
Alright, I wanted to play it cool.
Get the fuck out of the place.
You clearly have the drive and the moves we're looking for. But
If you're okay, man, then go
make it
fuck
kinda
away
easy,
from
doesn't
me.
it? Its design
Shit.
and inspiration came from
The
one of the most
inspiration never came
legendary
from
and
you, man.
important rally
Motherfucker,
cars
it came
of
from
all
Audi and
time,
actually can't
the
block you,
S1
idiot.
E2 Quattro.
And it looks
Two
like a piece of
Formula E
shit,
engines
by the
allow
way.
this thing to absolutely incinerate tires. Thing is, you have the skills. See for yourself.
Oh, shoot.
Let's go. That's got to be my favorite moment of the race. Nice work, Sport. You finally made it to the big show. My team and the crew at Motorfest are putting on the final details for Gymkhana Motorfest.
Make me
But we
finish
have
down,
one
huh? You
more
piece of crap.
challenge for you.
Yeah, I hope you hang yourself. And you like that, I think. Fucking hate you, idiot. Shit. No respect for that shit. Now everything's against me. Hates me more and more. Piece of shit. Then let me know about that one. Don't be so glory asshole like you are, you gay fuck. California or from Berlin or you piece of crap ever. Fucking that shit, man. Should cut off your fucking fingers or something. Touch it. Booty boys actually sick shit, asshole. I fucking hate this guy, seriously, I hate him right now so hard. Asshole. Piece of crap. Oh, he's persistent. Only for can block through actually, and that's the left by actually asshole. It's just pumping actually something in the garbage. Trying the acceleration ammo and actually like to pump it up like he's a superstar. He never did something for maybe Hunnigan or something. Whom you get Hunnigan for sake shit. Fucking ass wide open shit. Fuck. Game a piece of shit. That event or whatever it is, it's a piece of crap event when Ubisoft came on. It's the worst I ever seen in my life. Can't connect this asshole to something else like actually a garbage piece of shit. You should hang yourself out your little fucking fishing line or something. Hope you don't have kids or something. Fuck. Kind of a nigger going with that again. That's the snidgest nigger ever.
Yo, you wanna say something? Yo, you wanna see?
It ain't up.
Yo, you wanna see?
Wait.
Ah, here we go again. What the hell? And then you twice the playlist, and then the break the neck is coming shit through. You really want to fuck me up with what's going on in here? This game is so idiotic. This is an asshole game. Not really an asshole game. Here we go again. I missed it, and let's keep it moving again. Until maybe you get it. Oh my god, this game is a piece of fucking shit. I don't know why I'm doing this. Why I'm pressing this one then? Fucking asshole game. Here we go. I just missed it again. Why is it so fucking hard? Can I say actually that was just luck? I saw him and that's it. Now it's vanquish again. Yeah, now we're starting up again. And here we go. What the fuck? Why twice the playlist repeats? And then does another song and hear a song randomized? You fucking piece of crap shit game. You fucking piece of fuck.
It looks like you're going to be the Gymkhana driver for the big show. Well, just one extra challenge before that. To the Hoonigan HQ. With the Hoonicorn. This car is so iconic, it would be a shame not to call on it one last time.
You get in 1 minute actually 1 billion points. You fucking shit American. You don't even count about milliards, man. You just do 1 billion. Because you're idiotical shit redneck ass wide open shit. You need to get bombed in the fucking world. You're so idiotical. You do not know what a milliard is. High shit noses. You actually get killed, every one of you fucking idiots. Immediately. You brought Europe nothing as destruction. Nothing else. Only destruction you brought actually in. Ja. Chocolate. Ja, ik heb dus vinger over. Even in. Das verkauft, Migri. Also das hier so wieder neu stopft. Jetzt schon die Augen. Die ganze geschnürte Scheiße da von den anderen, die nichts drauf haben.
I brought you back here for one more challenge before I give you the keys to the house. Let me clarify. I took the Unicorn out for a ride this morning. Not the kind of car you'd expect to take a trip to the seaside, right? So I figured, with that setting, a drift record was the perfect thing to do. You know, casual stuff. All right, you see where I'm going with this? I want to see if you can beat my score in the same conditions. I don't think it's going to be too difficult with everything you've learned during the playlist.
You never drove in your life, man.
You have to beat my score. You really think you can do it? Use all the elements, grind, donuts, everything you've learned is worth points. 30 seconds left. Only 25 seconds left. Only 20 seconds? I'm kidding. I'll stop doing that. It's not fair.
Got me on that one. You definitely shredded like your life depended on it. And you left your mark all over the burnyard. We appreciate that.
Get the fuck off through my yard, man.
Yeah, that's what we call victory, Donuts. All right, look, we waited long enough. You've done it. You're a Gymkhana driver now.
Get
Finish
the fuck
playlist.
out of here.
Gymkhana Motorfest, here we come.
You can go home. Wherever gay hoodie you came from. Philadelphia or California or wherever you're from. And I'm the shithead.
Access memory still holds a record of hearing Scotto say that it took a lot of preparation to become a gymkhana driver. But no doubt you're more than ready. You've taken up all the challenges given by Hoonigan. Now it's time to lead your own gymkhana. In place. Have fun, gymkhana driver.
Where is a playlist? I thought that's the end. No, it's another playlist shit coming up in here. I have so much enough about these hoonigan shit. Hoonigan actually, I say. Why is there another race? I thought that's it. Yeah, time attack, you piece of shit. Make it worse as it is.
This is what you've been waiting for, isn't it? To become a Gymkhana master. Motorfest allowed us.
So that's my car, a lousy Lancia.
Gymkhana grid playground.
You piece of shit.
Entertaining race ever.
That's it. Now Audi A1.
We could think of. All right, this is your moment. Drive as accurate as possible.
Shut the fuck up. I thought that's my winning prize.
Well, Ron and the boys finally finished building it. And to christen it, I think we make it your machine.
You downgraded Gymkhana, man. You downgraded actually. Can't block. Fuck that Mitsubishi. It's a boring shit car. Subaru is the best. But your Mitsubishi bullshit car there. Fucking crap. I do nothing, man.
Let's go. Your car, your moment, your Gymkhana. And I'm not going to be holding
more
your hand.
shit.
Just do what you have learned.
I'll learn nothing about your piece of shit.
This race. It's too important. All I ask is that you go all the way to get the dopest shot.
Can't have it. See the digits? It's at a 3, a 4, or 5? You fucking piece of shit. You are just making Gymkhana and Cam Block so dealing down 0 minus. You fucking piece of shit. you make it actually like it's a normal race. Just beat the time, nothing else. Fucking piece of shit.
Yeah. Grind all the rails, burn it to the rims, and jump your heart out. Gonna love what's beyond the lighthouse.
What you asshole want from me? What you asshole want from me? I do it, I'm landing wrong. You're shit competition. You're shit. What are you, man? What are you? A gay Canadian or something? You know who fucking Cam Block is? You piece of shit. Oh my gosh. He bought definitely from Qatar or something. Getting off or something to get this on in here. Fuck you assholes that make this game, and fuck you assholes that bring Gymkhana up in here. You have no idea what that means. Play dirt free. You piece of shit. You have no idea what cars are made for. You fucking shitholes. Oh my god, stop this shit then. That music, man. Are we in Mexico or something? Cam Block hated Mexico. Here we go again.
We'll get it this time.
What they want from us? Fucking asshole.
Hey, yo, that was a close call.
Oh, shut the fuck up, asshole. I wanna kill you all.
Come on, it's not over yet.
Yeah, you over. Fucking American asshole.
This giant pineapple needs its 360. It deserves it.
You deserve to die. That's all you can do. You fucking piece of shit. A fucking Mitsubishi, you fucking gay hood. It's like to say, okay, no Mustang anymore, no Audi, Ken Block, he died. He wants a Mitsubishi now. For 50 years ago, Mitsubishi was better than actually everyone with company, and so we use actually for 50 years ago now on a Mitsubishi again, when actually Subaru and Ford was one of the best for the skip car now. Nah, you're using now a Mitsubishi. It's like you're fucking around with your niece or something, or you're fucking around with your grandmother, or I don't know. You're so respectless as it is. You piece of shit American piece of crap. So you shit on the grave of Ken Block right now. You more than like shit. You dig them up actually like a skeleton and shit in his face. You piece of fucking unreal. You're respectless American shit. Money making crap. Griefing fuck shit. I hope atom bombs are just exploding over your head. And you're suffering so much, you fucking American assholes. You have no idea you're counting for. You are so dead. Fuck America. Scheiß auf diese drecksamerikanischen Schweine. Die machen die ganze Welt nur kaputt. Ob mit Drogen oder mit Essen oder mit ihrem Scheißgequatsche, Alter, was ich nicht mehr anhören kann. Sind sogar zu dumm, dass sie ihre Scheiße da reparieren. Ihr Militär. Da Dreck nur noch. Es wird echt Zeit für eine Lynchaktion, Alter. Schaut da eh keiner zu. Es ist so asoziale Wichser, Alter, die da zuschauen, Alter, von amerikanischen Brand, Alter. Die sich denken, boah, da muss ich mir abonnieren, Alter. Der ist ganz cool. Mich interessiert das so einen Fotzenscheiß, Alter, mittlerweile. Jetzt gibt ja keiner mehr was zurück. Niemand mehr. Schauen nur Idioten zu, Alter, und liken ihn, das ist ein Mist, Alter. Die kriegen sogar Fake News und kriegen sogar Fake Nachrichten und müssen bestellen bei ihren Scheißdreck. Zuckerfreier Energietrink, ja, du bist so behindert, wie es nur gerade geht. Es ist nichts zuckerfrei, das wird ja nicht schmecken. Das nennt sich Stativia, du Volldepp. Aber egal wie jung oder alt, ihr seid alle dumm und dämlich. Ich wünsche mir so dermaßen, dass ihr alle krepiert, alle. Ihr seid so manipulierbar. Jeder einzelne von euch. Schauen gar nicht mehr bei Wiki nach, Alter. Nächstes System heißt D.R.O, Alter. Es wird in dein Gehirn gepflanzt. Du wirst einen Nadelstich spüren oder so, oder ich kann es nicht beschreiben, obwohl du es eingedämmt wird, Alter, mit dem Hammer reingeschlagen wird in dein Gehirn. Na egal, macht doch was ihr wollt. Ich hoffe, dass die Welt bald verreckt, und zwar jetzt so, eigentlich sofort so verreckt, wie es nur gerade geht. Die Welt macht keinen Spaß mehr. Nee, hat's noch nie. Seit meiner Kindheit muss ich schon arbeiten. Du weißt, was geschlagen hat, wo die anderen erst mit 30 anfangen zu arbeiten, weil sie nicht wissen, was sie wollen. Mit 30, Alter! Hast du noch 30 Jahre zur Rente hin, wa? Wo ich schon 26 Jahre gearbeitet hab, du asoziales Hurensohnkind. Können die scheiß Knie abgeschlagen, damit du aber weißt, was schwer behindert ist. Na egal. Mit solchen Leuten musst du jeden Tag arbeiten, Alter. Du musst den ständig nacharbeiten. Das Werkzeug sauber halten. Nächsten Tag ist alles wieder Vollgas, voll Dreck und du bist immer schuld. Hab sofort nämlich auch eine Manschette mit, Alter, und schlag euch die Köpfe ab. Wenn ich spurtet, Alter, weg mit dem Dreck. Reichsbürger gleich komplett kastriert und ausgeblutet, Alter. Solche wechsgriffigen Hurensöhne brauchen wir nicht in Deutschland. Ist wahrscheinlich schaut auch so ein Arschloch zu, Alter. Geht nicht anders, Alter. Ich hasse euch allesamt. Dreckigen Scheißmenschen, ihr Dreckigen. Geht doch auf Verfahrensgericht oder wie das heißt. Dann zieh ich dich auch gleich sofort rein, du Schwarzarbeiter.
Knock yourself out. I need intravenous tricks. That's it. Gymkhana Mastery.
Waren die auf Drogen oder so, als sie es gemacht haben? Alter, ich will noch eine Runde drehen und die machen es mir nicht nötig, oder? Wo? Geradeaus, du Hurensohn.
You're real close. Come on. Try it again. You're ready.
Du mieses Stück Scheiße. Du mieses Stück Scheiße. Du mieses Stück Scheiße. Du siehst nur, was du machen kannst, aber siehst nicht die Zeit, was dir noch läuft oder was dir noch abgeht. Und dann sollst du nebenbei noch Millionen von Tricks machen. Du mieses, beschissenes Stück Scheiße vom Spiel. Ab sofort wirst du heute gelöscht. Du bist ja wohl der absolute Drecksverein, du dreckiger, scheißverdammter Drecksverein. Hast du 4 Minuten Zeit, der Weltrekord liegt bei 2 Minuten. Wie hätte er das gemacht? Rückwärts gefahren und ins Ziel, oder was? Ah, der Hurensohn. Ich möchte mal sehen, wie der fährt. Ganz gewiss nicht in der Intenori, Alter. Der fährt höchstwahrscheinlich, keine Ahnung, 2 Meter und bleibt stehen und hat gewonnen. Und dieses Lied, Alter. Ich kann es nicht mehr ab, Alter. Ich habe die Schnauze voll von dem Dreckspiel. Raus hier. Raus, raus, raus. Bin raus. Ich scheiß auf dieses Dreckspiel, Alter. Fickt euch ins Knie, Alter. Dieses Dreckspiel pisst mich ja so dermaßen an. Nein, bitte geh doch einfach aus diesem Dreckspiel raus.